U.S. President-elect Donald Trump said Tuesday he will nominate Wall Street CEO Howard Lutnick as head of the Commerce Department. That means the investment banker will lead Trump's trade and tariff strategy for the agency that has become the U.S. weapon of choice against China's tech sector. He is a longtime friend of Trump and supports his vision to bring manufacturing jobs back to the U.S. and promote cryptocurrencies. Though Lutnick does not speak about China often, he is a big proponent of tariffs, especially aimed at Beijing. According to the New York Times, he said in a podcast interview last month, quote, "Don't tax our people, make money instead, put tariffs on China and make $400 billion. Lutnick's appointment was a setback for two other Trump supporters who had vied for the commerce job, including former Small Business Administrator Linda McMahon. CNN reported on Tuesday that Trump is expected to name her as Education Secretary instead, heading a department that Trump proposed abolishing during his campaign. McMahon is the co-founder and former CEO of the WWE professional wrestling franchise. She was a major donor to Trump during his first presidential bid and headed up the Small Business Administration in the billionaire's first term. Trump also said Tuesday that he had chosen television personality and surgeon Dr. Mehmet Oz to serve as administrator of the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. The wide-reaching agency has annual spending of $2.6 trillion and runs Medicare and Medicaid, which together provide health insurance for over 140 million Americans. Trump promised during his campaign not to cut Medicare, but he is expected to let federal subsidies for Medicaid expire at the end of 2025. The agency also handles much of the health insurance enrollment under the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. Trump and other Republicans have previously tried to repeal the law, but now say they only seek to overhaul it. The president-elect said Oz would work closely with Robert F. Kennedy Jr., Trump's nomination to lead the Department of Health and Human Services.